Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews. We're back with another Dollar Tree haul, so please stay tuned for all the new goodies. You already know, in the cleaning section, my strong and soft. 4 rolls, 2 ply, $1.25. Picked up 2 rolls. My paper towels, not the 176 but 126. Better than 100 for $1.25. Picked up a roll. And they didn't have my Ziploc brand, but they have SureFresh. Brings 10 bags per package. They do just as good as a job as the known brand. So I picked up a pack. My Scotties tissues are back. You already know they've changed up the pattern, so that I opted for this nice, garden-like aesthetic. Scotties Everyday Comfort 2 ply, 128 issues per box. They come in this color. They come in also this nice green foliage. And they have blue and then your standard pattern. Picked up 2. That's all in the cleaning section. Also, in their hardware section, tool bench, duct tape. In red, I'm going to use this for a DIY. So it's 1.89 inches by 10 yards. So I picked up 2 just to keep in storage. I feel like I may need them both. Not a whole lot, but it does get the job done. That's in their hardware section. Also in their cleaning section, I also did pick up another of their vinyl gloves by Scrub Buddies. They do come in handy. You could use them for a number of purposes, as you can see here. They were actually growing scarce, so if you don't see them, well, just don't be surprised, because for some reason they're going quickly. I feel like a lot of people are doing DIYs, so they're going rather quick. I picked up 2, and I found just 2. So LA is totally awesome. Oxy Ultra Deluxe liquid dish detergent, an original scent. I do like this scent, so I picked up 1 bottle. It is 30 fluid ounces. I did enjoy using this, actually. I have used this on my electronics, specifically my laptop. This is by Homebright Compressed Gas Electronics Duster. Safely removes dust and lint from hard to reach places. And it comes with this nice little attachment. You put it in this nice little hole, and it does do the job. I mean, unfortunately, it's just a little teeny can, but you know what? In comparison to Staples, you can't go wrong. It is 2 ounces. So, in a quick fix, I recommend it. Also, in their hardware section, kind of electronic section, at my local branch, super glue. Can't have enough of that. I ran out of 1, so I picked up 1. They did not have my Goo Gone. I hope they bring those back, because that is also really well recommended in their hardware section. I want to say in their beauty care section, Be Pure. I think I've advertised them on my channel before. They really do a decent job, I will say, in terms of the things that I have bought by them. Nails, press-on nails, nail polish, anything like that. They also have an assortment of foundation, and this is a primer. It says essentially ageless blur face primer. Brings 0.5 fluid ounces. I'm going to give it a try and see. They also had a foundation, but I'm going to try their primer. The foundations didn't really match my skin tone. It was just too pale, so I opted for the primer. Now, let's get into the Christmas stuff, y'all, because there are new items, and I'm excited to share. When I tell you I'm excited about these items, it's because they go so quickly. So if you didn't snag them, you're out of luck. So I was quick enough to get it this year. I always get a tablecloth. I always like the idea of decorating my table for the festivities for Christmas Eve, Christmas, and New Year's. So I always try to grab one. This is by their Christmas House collection. Tablecloth, nape, 52 inches by 52 inches. Really cute, your standard, decoration motif. So I opted for this nice. And it's nice in foliage like green, reds. I've opted for other ones too, but I don't know. This one kind of called more my attention, so I picked up 1. Also, these are what I'm talking about. They go so quickly. These are pillowcases, y'all, so you don't even have to take mats to make pillows. Dollar Tree listens in, I think, to their haulers, to their avid fans, and they thought it out for you. There's a pillowcase already with the theme of Christmas, as you can see this one, and it has like this burlap effect, but it has these really pretty pattern. It says candy canes, cookies, cocoa, and confections. I opted for that one. They had another one, gingerbread. I think they had one with Santa Claus. I like my red truck, so I opted for farm fresh, apple cider, and hot cocoa. But these are cute, and all you have to do is just buy the stuffing. I think I'm hearing circulating on the web that they are kind of bringing that. Don't quote me. And if they're not, then again, you can always opt for ordering it online, like the stuffing, or you could just get a cheapy pillow from Target from their Bullseye, and I think they're like $4, and use the stuffing, and there you go, you got a pillow. And I think it comes with a zipper and everything. I've seen Chic on the Cheap, and I think Bargain Bethany review these on her channels, and they go so quick. They're lucky they snagged them. I'm lucky I snagged one or two this year. So this is from their Christmas House collection, pillowcase, 15.748 by 15.748 inches, 40 by 40 centimeters. I am excited for those. And these, yes, these are placemats. Really pretty, nice velvety kind of feel to it, satinly kind of feel. Beautiful pattern. Says joy. I bought two because I think I might turn this into a nice big pillow as well. So I opted for these two placemats. Fabric placement by their Christmas House collections, 12 inches by 18 inches, 30.48 centimeters by 45.72 centimeters. And I thought that was lovely. And lastly, y'all, because I'm getting super excited. How cute. Now, again, don't expect high quality from their rugs. They're not going to be super thick, as you can see. And I've experimented before. See, it's like really thin. But you can put it under a nice, heftier rug. But I just love the pattern. I think I have a mug that says the same thing, the most wonderful time of the year. Let me just check. This is from a previous collection. No, it does not say that. It says I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. And mind you, I snagged this mug and it was the only one of its kind. I feel like sometimes they test out the audience or demographic at your local branch to see what they are willing to buy. But I know that they never brought these back. I think maybe the following year they only had a few and then they were snagged pretty quickly. But this I thought was cute. The most wonderful time of the year. You can already kind of hear the music playing in the background. I thought it was lovely. I love the buffalo check, but in green and red and little traces of black. I loved the whole thing. Really cute, $1.25. You can't go wrong. And with that, y'all, I leave you. I hope you've enjoyed this haul. If you see any of these items, snag them. Make sure you snag them. And the gnomes are back. I was going to opt to get 2 gnomes, but they looked a little raggedy. I don't know. Maybe it was just me. Maybe my branch. They didn't handle them correctly, but they looked a little... I did without. But nonetheless, if you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share. Also, if you like my hauls, you like my videos, or you like my reviews, please click on the link that I will place in the description box down below. I am doing a GoFundMe. Times are rough, y'all. So if you do like my channel, you would like to tip me based on what you see, my commentary and whatnot, it would be much appreciated. I will do a follow-up video when I have a chance explaining why I needed to do a GoFundMe, but it would also help me and help actually contribute and donate to my channel. So if you do like us here, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted to my next DIY, my next haul and review. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, nerdy girl. Bye. Oh, whoops, I almost forgot, but I didn't get this at the Dollar Tree. Sorry. Quick edit. My Oots popcorn butter. No, this is not available. This size is not available at the Dollar Tree. It's a small miniature version. But I thought I bought it because, yes, I'm going to watch a lot of Halloween movies this weekend, perhaps to also update my channel with a couple of reviews. But they do have the same brand and the same product, but smaller at Dollar Tree. I got this at the supermarket. All right, y'all. Now, XOXO. Nerdy girl.